Oops, sorry, folks. Alright, one more time. I'm just gonna hush up. I'm gonna put you on blast. And I'm gonna let you see how this goes. There's gonna be some sparking going on, and it's hot. I don't want to leave the power off of these people for too long, so. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get a good light set up here. Some sorts. See, now y'all really can't see where the shit all that I can. What's that? Yeah, that's much better. Alright. This is the sparky one right here, okay? Just to show proper. This here. You want to clear it. Tighten down too tight. Right down in there. So it's made to hold the Rolex in its flathead. Yeah, that's what that's for. Can't hold it tightly, folks. So which one's not? Trusty Wisemans. I'm gonna spark it to him for a minute. So. Twisting and breaking that. Now I only got one more left. There's the isolated trusty strippers. Now, AC was invented by Nikola Tesla, meaning alternating current. One thing, he's actually apprenticed by Thomas Edison, the guy who created the light bulb. Now these wires seem to be in pretty good shape. Up here. Now this one's copper. That's our power. Alright, that's our home run. The one's over that switch box. So it's not hot yet because it carries power over. Of course, there's a neutral also. So, yeah. Yada yada. I see. It's making more sense now, actually. Because my hot is still connected to the red circuit. Because that was my hunch. It was still looked good all the way back towards the panel side. So it was a loss of neutral. That's why the fan was working intermittently. Now. See? Now, folks. Neutral. Home run. Right here. Heading back to our box that we need to feed. That's a neutral to this transformer. It goes to this doorbell, which is fried, by the way. So I'm not getting hooked back up. Neutral, neutral, neutral. So strictly a power wire, color for color. That's about it. So See you later.